LinkedIn. And also check out the tech issues. All right, so everybody, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, Director of Product featured in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land the dream PM job offer in FAANG companies, so unicorn startup, and continue to get promoted as product leader. And today you are in our live free resume review, and I have 2 people on my Zoom link for free resume review. Anyone else who can see me live on both YouTube and LinkedIn, please say hi in the chat so I know I'm live. And also, oops, let me, my daughter just took my mic filter. Let me see. Okay, great. Let me check. So it looks like I am live successfully on YouTube. Let me check LinkedIn. For people join us, please just say hi in the chat. And at the same time, if it would be great if you can introduce yourself in terms of what's your name, where you're from, and when was the last time you went to the gym. And I want to find out. It's interesting. My LinkedIn wasn't live. Let me confirm. Something wrong. My LinkedIn wasn't live. Hold on. LinkedIn wasn't live. Let me confirm. I think something's wrong. No. Let's see what's going on. Interesting. My LinkedIn wasn't live. Something is weird. Is this event set private on LinkedIn? And if people can see me live on LinkedIn, please say hi in the chat. It's interesting. Why there's no line on LinkedIn? Something's wrong with it. That's weird. Sorry, guys. Let me fix some tech issues. So on LinkedIn, if you can see me live, please comment on the chat and just say hi. Then I can tell I am live or not. Okay, looks interesting. Okay, but anyway, so without further ado, but anyway, so without further ado, we have already people join us on YouTube. So and Nala, product analyst, and we also have Joseph and hi. And Nala said I need more information about product analyst. What question do you have about product analyst? Put your questions in the chat. How can get my resume reviewed? Okay, great question. So let me share you guys regarding how to get your resume review, everybody. So let me go through today's slides, and then you should be able to see all the latest live training we had. Okay. Yeah, if you're on LinkedIn, say hi so I know you are there. And I think there's some weird LinkedIn type issues right now. LinkedIn always change the algorithm. It's kind of weird. But I'm glad to see everybody. So let me show the slides regarding how to get free live resume review. Let's get started. YouTube my deck. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, I also have someone else join me on Zoom. And as I think someone else is joined and Shuhas. Yeah, how are you, Shuhas? So here, and make sure you guys send the
Hey, hi.
hello. Make sure to send your resume to my team, and your resume should be in the folder. My team will prepare with you guys. But now, let's get started. So slideshow mode. Okay, great, cool. All right, everybody, welcome to Darknet City. You are on my free live review on both YouTube, LinkedIn. I also have like 2 other people join on Zoom to do live resume review and ask me any questions you have. Okay, so now let's go through. People ask question how to get free resume review, what's look like. So let's go through today's stack. So now quick. Each time when I teach live, I always give people inspiring stories. And because I believe all of you guys can achieve the same outcome, you just need a little bit mindset shift and focus on what's the right way to achieve the best, your goal, the best outcome. Okay, so now this is our student Pei Yun, and people inside the PM Accelerator, you know who she is. And so Pei Yun herself, she came from a sales background, working for startup, and she also decided to quit her job at the worst time ever in the layoffs history, which is January 2023. January 2023, 89,000 people were laid off. People talk about, oh, layoff. No, right now, let's be the lowest right now. Right now, as we're speaking, last month, only 8,000 people were laid off. January 2023, 89,000 people laid off. Completely different dynamic. Right now, when the lowest like layoff charts, it's like lots of companies as we're speaking right now, they just open up with a Meta and also the Salesforce. They just open the APM positions, the primary like recruiting season this week get started, and same thing, the other more experienced hire. We're literally going into those crazy hiring seasons right now. Okay, so now Pei Yun decided to quit her job in the worst time, was January 2023, and that's 89,000 people got laid off, but she was able to land her PM job offer. Was in 2.5 months at SunGrow, which is new renewable energy company, and her past background was in like supply chain company, completely different background. So let me show you how exactly she did it. Number one, she decided to use the networking strategies. Given when the market is very competitive, you must use the networking strategies to pitch yourself to the hiring manager. And number two, she also have a product portfolio ready because she came from supply chain background. The new company is like the renewable energy background. So she was able to demonstrate her skills using her product portfolio, knowing, hey, I'm able to change industry. See, I know renewable energy, and all those is actually helping the hiring managers quickly make decision, given she already had those transferable skills before she joined the company. And finally, she's also passing the interview. So she practiced a lot and also did lots of mock interview inside the PM Accelerator. And many of you guys, if you want to do free mock interview, you can just join me, email my team, and we can send you the Zoom link as well. We'll be streaming from both YouTube and LinkedIn as well. And just like how we do free resume review as well. Okay, so that was 3 steps. She made it happen within 2.5 months with the worst layoff time in the history of tech industries. And I believe when you use the right strategies, you can do it as well. Okay, starting from live resume review. Okay. Now also remind everybody, and some of you guys want it's in the process preparing for interview. As I said, those companies are already announced the hiring for like APMs for tier 1 companies and also full-time hires, and currently it's also like getting recruited as well. So you should all use this interview questions database. Let me put it here. I can so oops, Control Z, and you can use it to prepare for your upcoming interviews. This most important thing is basically like lots of them ask you very similar questions. So make sure to come use the same interview questions database. I'm putting the link in the chat. And you can see, okay, great, cool. All right. So looks like LinkedIn is live. LinkedIn has some like slow. Yeah, you can see me live on LinkedIn to say hi, since I know you're there. Okay, yes, feel free to introduce yourself. And also let me know when was the last time you went to the gym. Mine was really, it was over a year ago. I just had a baby. I feel very embarrassed. But my goal started from today is focus on myself, focus on health as well. So find some anytimes I can find to work out at home as well. I have a newborn baby. My life is very busy, but very glad to speak to all of you guys today. So now let's continue. Now people ask how could we get Zoom link to review a resume? Email this email, info@pmaccelerator.io. Info, take a screenshot, everybody. info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, your resume title should be very straightforward. You can describe the following: free resume review and the date of attending the masterclass. Okay, so because you got prioritize what is the masterclass, where we teach you how to learn to create a keto product portfolio in 2 weeks that will land you PM job offers even if you lay off or have no experience. You can directly go to our website. By the way, we have a new website. Let me just show here. We copy the link. So basically, darkness.com/masterclass. You have all the information you need regarding the masterclass. If you attended any masterclass in the past or right now reserved for the future date, make sure you tell us when did you attend the masterclass because you will get prioritized. The reason is in the masterclass, we teach you how to create a clear product portfolio so you're ready and use all the tools to product portfolio examples and go off with job interviews. And we also want to have your resume ready. That's why I give you free resume review. So if you have been through or have registered the future or past masterclass, just let us know. Your resume will be prioritized for review. And if I have extra time, more than happy to review everyone's resume who already submitted to my team through this email. info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, great, cool. Now also something exciting. We changed our website. Let me show you guys. Okay, so the email. Let me also put it here. I forgot. Let me put the masterclass link in case people ask about it. But the link is also very easy to find. Go to my website homepage, darknessly.com. You can find lots of information there. And we also rebranded our website. The last thing to do is URL redirect from Darkness account to pmaccelerator.io. This last thing to do, but we flipped the website already. So this week we're going to change the URL. And so our new website and mainly focus on all the different kind of PM certifications, including job hunting program, skill-based program, AI PM programs. You can choose to join, or you directly do like different type of like career services we have right now, so that we are not just focused on landing a job. We actually also teach people lots of different skills based on the unique background. So feel free to go to our website and explore more of the different kind of like free resources, including blog posts. We just started to write blog posts as well, and it's very exciting. Okay, cool. Yeah, go out and check it out. There's lots of free resources available for everybody. Now let me do this. Let me review my people ask how. So if you go to Masterclass to the homepage, you click a link, it get there. Okay, that's the main one you have, and everything else is find the ones that's most suitable for you and the free resources you need. So now let me directly pull up people's resume. Here is the resume link. Let me do it right here. Okay, so sorry, which one is yours? This one?
The one on the bottom, the way bottom.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great, cool. Let me open your resume. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Hi, so my name is Siri. I am currently an MBA candidate at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business, specializing in entrepreneurship, marketing, and strategic management. My background was in civil engineering. Specifically, I was a senior construction manager in the Chicagoland area, working on various roads and highways and bridges. And I'm seeking to pivot into product management or product marketing management in the ed tech sector. And I'm looking to get assistance from Dr. Nancy to make it happen.
Awesome. Welcome, welcome. I gave a talk at the Chicago Booth, the EMBA program. Well, we have many students from Chicago Booth before. I should do another talk. And if you are part of the existing, the whatever product club of Chicago Booth, let me know.
I am.
Connect with you guys. Yeah, connect me with these people. I can give you guys a free talk, and you guys like let me talk every year. Welcome, welcome. So let me do this. Let me one sec. Share the screen and review. Yeah, I even know your template. You guys doing the same thing before. Yeah, I also gave a talk to the Rice University, the MBA school as well. So you guys, all MBA has a very similar resume. And let me see, you're doing the is this a summer internship right now?
Correct.
You need to write more here. Let me scan through everything. You can make a full 2-page resume. You need to write more to it. I will show you what. Let me see some. We need to rewrite your resume a lot. Let me see. Let me see if I get that one. Very interesting way to describe. Very different kind of background. Okay, here's what's going on, Siri.
Mhm.
You had so much like it's a school internship. You have so many internship. Are those all internships? You have so many those short experience.
Yes.
Those are internship. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete some of the internship and only leave the ones relevant to PM. Less is more. Right now, it's very confusing regarding which experience relevant to PM. Looks like you have done lots of stuff. Okay,
Yeah.
so I will.
So just to clarify, this is like my master resume. So it contains all of my experience, whether it be PM related or not PM related. And my strategy was to apply for jobs that were PM related and only include PM related work experience.
Oh, great. So in that case, you tell me yourself, which ones is PM related experience? I only want to review that session. Everything else should be deleted. So which one you think is PM related?
Definitely the first experience Mental Mind as a
And what
product and
else?
sales specialist. I also Instructify right here.
This one. Okay.
I also want to include my education company, Shyton Education, just to highlight my entrepreneurial
Oh, where is it?
experience. It's on the top, the first page, Shyton Education.
Okay.
I want to
Okay.
include
So
that as
these
well.
three,
Hmm.
1, 2, 3. What else?
And then scroll down, Learn Speed,
Okay. And what else?
and also Energistic Fashions right below it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
AXS Modern right below that. And then the DB Sterling, that's not PM, but that's like what I did prior to business school. So it'll be helpful to include.
Okay. Great. Cool. All right. So we'll only review these. Now make some sense exactly. Delete this completely. And now I know you're still doing internship, only 1 month into an internship. Once you finish, I want you to write more about this. You need at least like 5 bullet points for latest internship. Try to do more, the real PM related things. So you can add more to it. Right now, it looks like you haven't done much, only 1 month into a new job. So therefore you have little you can write about. Okay, add more things here once you finish internship. So now let me see your this experience that you finished. Let me see how well you do it. So that's your own education startup. We need to change this completely. So the good thing about being an entrepreneur is many things you did during your entrepreneurship is the same as PM. 70% are the same. 30% are raising fundings, HR issues as an entrepreneur, but we're on top of the 70% overlap. If you want to talk about 70% overlap, yes, you can talk about the general. You have so many people, that's totally fine. But now, coach this to rewrite and this rewrite. Let me show you how to rewrite complete the whole everything here, rewrite completely, right? For example, if you want to talk about SEO and different ads, recruiting so many leads, all of this, right? You should change it completely into create a go-to-market strategy to acquire users and define who are users to acquire potential users such as I don't know, like who is the user classification, whatever, any kind of coaches, and right? So let's talk about these instead of talking about you run social media ads. It's mainly creating go-to-market strategy to acquire end users such as coaches, increase user engagement from whatever once per day to 500 times per day by executing like a very comprehensive go-to-market strategy, things like this. Complete change this, okay? Because this is just like running fast and marketing. No, it's not as important. And so the enrollment programs, so it's here, create those kind of like selective enrollment program need to be changed. Text prep program, it should turn into your product itself. For example, create a product roadmap of like educational, whatever prep test program, five different things on your product roadmap to increase the user adoption of ABCD coaching program you have, something like that. Okay, so it's less about creating enrollment test prep program. It's about this program itself is something on your roadmap. So that should become the features on your roadmap. And so basically everything we change. And then on top, they should also talk about the conduct voice of customer interviews, because your founder, I bet you talk to your customers. You can talk about conduct voice customer interviews with how many 500 coaches or 500 students, 20 students, whatever, how many of these, to understand the needs and desire and pain point of customers, and then create those like business stories, business requirements, user stories, all of those that you can work with your internal team to create the right solution and product to solve your customers' needs. Okay, so basically it's rewrite completely. Now, GTM, that's a so short amount of time. If we internship, cross-functional team, this is fine. But when you describe developer roadmap, practice features, all of this are hidden in the later side of this sentence. I will make into complete different bullet point and talk about you create and draw product roadmap of ABCD product and leading to like a alignment with 5 different teams, all of those to be break into different things, and also prioritize product features on roadmap. Just like different completely different bullet points, so that it's gonna stand out. And wireframe those are fine. And actually we should design the MEP, that's fine. And I think the main thing is you merged lots of great PM experience at the second half of these bullet points, and you need to highlight these related to PM. And now if you're doing product marketing type of job, you should talk about creating a value proposition of your product and create a go-to-market strategy, which I don't see these 2 keywords on your resume either. So same thing. So basically lots of things you had. The way you wrote it is incorrect, but you have done this, especially entrepreneurship. I guarantee you entrepreneurship can you 100% repackage into PM, 200%. Now GTM is product marketing, and just you write it differently. Awkward. Same sense you past experience. Just like lots of rewrite and delete lots of things that not necessary. And then I think you should be able to fit into 1 page. Even if run over is fine. It's more important you write the right thing on your resume than putting lots of stuff on your resume. So that's the main thing. Okay, so let me show you the resources, how to write it better. So go to my YouTube channel, which had all the resume videos. So this interview tips shows you the example sentences I'll be writing as example. So interview customer, starting market trend, all of those as example. Those should be something you should put on your resume. And all other keywords, for example, product strategy, product vision, everything is in another video, which is right here, the product manager resume keywords. And literally once you hit those keywords, your resume is gonna show up in the search results significantly higher in the preparation process. Make sure to watch these videos. For anybody else, if you have other like type of resume challenges, you can watch other videos where we cover different kind of keywords for advanced level, direct level in this video. Each one is different. Okay, so check it out. But these 2 has all the majority of the writing style I was looking for. Okay, so
Okay.
cool. All right. So any questions before we move on to the next person?
Yeah, so I guess so I see what you're saying. I should rewrite my bullet points to be more PM, PM, I guess focus, but I also don't want to stuff keywords unnecessarily, because that could also potentially raise red flags to the recruiter that I'm just trying to game the system, so to speak. So do you have any advice on on that, how to include those keywords without making it like obvious that I'm trying to just stuff keywords.
You're actually not gaming the systems, you're giving what recruiters want to see. If you have done related experience to product, you should put it there. If you haven't done anything with product, you should delete it on your resume. For example, the ones you had all the sales experience, right? You should delete this, and lots of things that's irrelevant, delete this. But for the rest of experience, if you're relevant to PM, you're doing the recruiters a favor regarding, hey, I have done the same type of task you were asking for. Now make it easy for you to understand I did something which is quite similar to what you're looking for. So it's not intentionally stuffing the keywords, and actually helping the algorithm to understand you've done something similar, and also helping those recruiters understand you have done the task they were asking for. And the thing about this, what's a recruiter's background? Do you think recruiters get MBA? Maybe some of them.
Right.
But most of them, psychology major, history major. Ask yourself, look at those recruiters' background. Why would a history major or psychology major understand how much of your past very advanced entrepreneurship experience is the same as PM?
I see what you're saying.
You're doing them like a service, saying that, hey, you study history major, psychology major. I'm just telling you, entrepreneurship is same as PM, at least 70% overlap. So now here's how I describe my past experience in the way that you understand it's the same. Or if you don't educate them, there's no way to understand. They study psychology and whatever, history major. Oh, sorry, not a disgraceful for other MBA decide become HR. I'm saying that 80% of people who choose become HR, they're people person. That's why they're HR. They're not product managers. There's no product manager choose become HR unless like personal pursuit, right? So you're doing the right thing to do them a favor to understand I have done something quite similar to what you're looking for. You're not stopping the PM keywords, you're doing them a favor. But you do need to use those keywords or your resume cannot be selected anyway. So you're two birds, one stone.
Okay, I see.
Change your mindset and figure out what's going on, what's going on. I have recruiters inside the PM Accelerator learning how to become PM as well. If they know what's going on, and their resume is like literally need to be rewritten by me completely. Right? If they know what's it look like, why they need to take program, why they need to pay people to rewrite the resume, their recruiters should know everything. No, because they literally have very different thinking process, very different mindset. It's day and night different once you, at least the recruiter students in my program. So you think very differently from PM.
I see.
That's what's going on. They are very different people you encounter.
I understand.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so good job. At least you went to really good school. That's great. I really think your entrepreneurship has so much to do with PM. So you should continue to leverage your strengths and land your PM job offer. And you went to really good school. That's great. Good for you.
Thank you.
Cool. Okay, so now let me go to Suhas. Let me see your resume. Which one? This one?
Hey. Let me see your screen. Yeah, that's fine.
Great, cool. Let me read your resume. Product manager, Let's see. How many years work experience have you? 2018 to now. That's good enough. Two sessions of experience is fine. That's long enough of experience.
I do have some more, but I couldn't fit everything because I wanted to keep everything in one page. And
Yeah,
if I do that, those are non-product manager related. So
that's fine. Let me read your background. Oh, by the way, can you quickly introduce yourself? I forgot to ask you this question.
yeah, sure. Yeah. Hi, my name is Suhas Kumar, and I have about 8 years of experience combined with software engineering and product ownership and product manager responsibilities. With my latest experience being at United Health Group, I've been software engineer and technical product manager, where I have led initiatives like launched multiple SSOs as MVPs, where one of the SSOs eventually led to building in-house product after a year. And the other initiatives was like deep links, where we use these links to target customers for advertisement perspective, sending them emails and messages. So it helps to retain the customers and helps to engage them within our website. And I've also shown my leadership and communication skills by leading a team of 10 to ensure our website is accessibility related. So I've led team of 10, and going back to my experience at Pearson prior to my United Health Group experience, I have worked as a software developer and a product owner, taking the ownership of a custom editor, which students use it to write their answers in text and math equations. So I've led improvements to like cursor selection and the key shortcuts. So I've led improvements to that. And I've also led prototyping, where we introduce new prototyping for the features before we ship it to the students. So I've led these kinds of initiatives. I'm currently looking for technical product manager or product manager roles as my next job. So looking forward
Awesome.
for it.
So welcome. Looks like I have done lots of great job. So let me read your experience. Let me see. So I will reorg your resume. Looks like your resume, you put all your actions and with impact, some kind of actions with impact, things like this. Is a bit disorganized. Let's separate this. I will put all the impact made more upfront as achievement and also roles responsibilities down below. But let's focus on what important things you are not doing on your resume. So you talk about MVP to inform of what product. So the part confusing is, I don't know the main product. Is this the product, or you work on multiple different products?
Considering each and every feature as the product in itself. So I
So you
worked
work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you work on 8 things.
Yeah.
You need to change it. Okay. We
Okay.
need to, in that case, you need to put the summary upfront, put the achievement and roles responsibilities. Because no recruiters, unless you are consultant, usually 99% people out there, they are not working on 5 or 8 products within 3 years, unless you're a consultant, right? So therefore, we need to summarize them upfront. You put achievement, you say, launched or worked on whatever, like 10 or 8 different products within 4 years by creating MEPs that you need to describe to them how does that. If I'm the hiring manager, I'm confused. How come someone work on 8 product in 3 years without being a consultant?
So when I say products, like I'm referring to as features, like each individual features is like a product, like for SSO.
You
SSO
work on 8 features.
Multiple features, yeah. So the main one was SSOs. There were at least like 8 to 10 of the SSOs that I worked on, and there are like at least 15 to 20 deep links. And
Okay.
with respect to accessibilities, I'm considering that itself as like a one product. And I
We need to
introduced
summarize everything up front. As a product manager, you're required to be able to describe your product in a very succinct way to the interviewer and hiring managers. For example, you can describe this way. You can say at upfront, I say group them as achievement and risk responsibility. Achievement, you can directly say work on 20 features in total for 3 products. That's more clear. 3 years, 3 products, total 20 features. Great. One sentence summarize everything. We talk about on Sunday train, right? You need to get to the point much faster without confusing them. The whole time say the math doesn't work, right? The whole time I was confused. Myself was confused. So given the summary, if just you need to describe your product, and you should also describe what type of product. For example, work on clearly 3 years. You can do a math here. You can say summary achievement, launched or worked on or developed 3 like SSO product, and I don't know what are the other 2 product, whatever, or like education tech product or single sign-on product, whatever, like different product, total 20 features, and that leading to like whatever 1,000 users, different things. Or you can directly, if you have 3 product, I will break down 3 bullet point, and you can say launched single sign-on features that including 10 features under single sign-on and with so much 1,000 users. And then your second product, launch another whatever education tech product, that way. You cannot say you have 20 whatever A features. It's very confusing. People will be like, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so you can group that way. So people answer, oh, this is one product. Under the product, the 20 whatever links you talk about already, whatever 20 backlink, different things. Okay, that we group all of those under one parent's product, and he work on 20 different features. Now makes sense. Okay, I will rewrite everything I described upfront to make it very clear. You can, as I said, 3 different products. Each product have how many features, you can describe that way. Depends on how many products you have. Okay, it's like summary. And then down below, you wrote all your responsibilities. And then you can talk about, for example, working on product roadmap, whatever led a cross-functional team to do to improve features, different things, launch, this launch something, that's your achievement, that's fine. And also improve whatever reliability by this much, you're doing ABCD different things that you can describe that way. If you have done go-to-market strategy, you can write a separate bullet point about go-to-market strategy, and also product vision strategy, right? So there should be stakeholder, and this is fine. And if you have work on conduct voice customer interviews and writing requirements, you have separate bullet point about those as well.
Okay.
Okay, so basically some keywords are missing, and then you mix the achievement with the actions. It's it's like very confusing. What exactly did you do?
Got it. Kind of like separate it out and group up.
Yeah. Make it clear to other people what did you do, instead of now what I read is I did something with this impact. I did something with this impact. Was like, what exactly is his product? Is he doing product work, or he's doing engineering work, or working on 8 different features?
Bit of both. So that's why you see both of them here.
Yeah, so that's why you need to rework everything using the style I was looking for, and also add more PM related keywords so that you don't confuse other right now.
Got it. Okay.
Cool. So let me see software developer product owner. This is great. You wrote the specs, covers. This is fine. This is better organized. Multiple features including that. So this one, actually, I like this one better. It's more clean. So we understand, oh, he work on user stories, creating features, and working with cross-functional teams about requirements. That's great. Okay, so now the rest is missing is the impact. Okay, this paragraph has lots of impact. This one has lots of impact, and this one has no impact. But this one has very organized responsibilities related to PM, but doesn't have impact. So I would add impact back to here. And again, the way to do impact we prefer people to do is you put achievement session. You can talk about 2 big achievement, and now you have 4 responsibilities, and totally have 6 bullet point. That's good enough to show the others that you're suitable for the job. Okay, so I will rework that way.
If I do that, like I think it might go to 2 pages, right?
No, here. This. Okay, if you see our sample resume within PMA, you will see how people organize the content. So they have an executive summary up front, and then all these, the space is wasted. You can use, we have a resume template. You can see how we organize everything. So basically these can be combined technical skills and product management skills. And you don't need to do like so much space and put in 2 different like paragraphs. These as like right here, it's a waste of space. You can condense them within 2 lines, and then the space will be given to the part I was looking for, and then you can fit in 1 page, no problem.
Got it. Okay.
You can see our template, take a look. Okay, so everybody, here's the different kind of PM template we had. Everybody come here. Here's the template I was talking about. Go to my YouTube channel and I have resume, master product manager resume keywords, land a PM interview. So this one has PM resume template you guys can download, and actually the resume template itself have been used by 14,000 product managers, and so use the same things. There lots of people using the same template, and actually with lots of great job offers come up with this kind of resume template. So go take a look and you'll see what's look like. And in our free training, we have different examples of like how you write about it. Everything's here. Okay, so in the description of the video always have a resume template. Okay. So take a look. So let me grab Martha, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Okay.
Can you introduce yourself and turn on your camera if possible?
Yeah, do. Let me know once I'm audible and visible.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. First of all, thank you very much for agreeing to review my resume. Little background about myself. I graduated in 2021 and then I started working as an SDA at Infogain. And there I got an opportunity to work with FedEx as a client, and I was responsible for developing features, primarily based in UI, handling their UI websites. And I also implemented some of the web accessibility compliancy features for them. After that, I took a career break for about like 2 years due to some reasons. And now I'm quite in a good space that I want to get back to the workforce, and product space is something that interests me. And that's why I took I've started a course in product management offered by Duke Corporate Education, so as to upskill myself and upskill myself and gain more experience and develop projects for my portfolio.
Great. So now let's take a look at your resume. Oh, I clicked the wrong resume.
Yeah.
Also, it's still the same one. This one.
Yeah. It's quite short because I'm currently starting from scratch, so I want to do everything right from the beginning. That's why I want to consult to you.
No problem. Wow, that's lots of this they are not as important. Okay, 2 things to do. Number 1, you need to build your product portfolio, and you need to create your own side project, create a product portfolio, and then turn your product portfolio on the work experience. That's the most important thing. And then under here, let's take a look at the software engineering experience. So enhance preference. Those are all achievements. Those are just implement this with those kind of achievements. Want to see something related to PM. I understand as a software engineer, you didn't do too much regarding PM, but I want you to talk about your experience that's relevant, and they're going to appreciate. For example, we can talk about you working in agile methodology, creating MVP, right? And then you have agile right here, but where's MVP, right? You should change how you write a sentence. You're not lying, but you're talking about the things that are relevant to PM, agile methodology, creating MVP, right? And then, for example, did you propose any product features? You didn't lead it, but did you propose any product features? You write the bullet point.
Yeah, actually, that's the last one that their websites were not web accessibility compliant. So I researched for them and then suggested tools and created documents in order to implement those things for their sites. Perfect. So that is something that I can improve, right?
Yeah, you should rewrite the sentence, right? Right now, it couldn't tell. But you did it, right? As I said, let's really 91% people who are product manager today, they transition into PM. They came from software engineering background, many marketing, arts, even art. Have people starting like art, literally Royal College of Art become a PM as well. So you have done it before, right? But you write it incorrectly. So what you have written is propose product feature of to address ABCD pain point. You should also have a separate bullet point regarding how you discover those pain points. Did you do market research? Do you analyze user data? Did you talk to customers? There must be a way that you did to make it happen,
Getting you. Yeah, getting you.
Right? So you should have a separate bullet point how you discover this pain point. For example, you can say conduct a voice of customer interview 20 developers to understand the pain point about . Right? That's another bullet point, right? So everything you did here need to be rewritten in the PM style as much as possible. You can still talk about you coded, that's totally no problem, okay? But you have done lots of things, you never really deep dive and investigate. That's a waste of opportunities. Okay, but you have done it before. Congratulations, just rewrite it. So let me show you the resource. Everyone just go to our YouTube channel. So I have a playlist of Product Manager resume. The playlist have 5 videos. So this is most important. Yeah, those are keywords video. You also have other videos regarding how to write it in a different way. You should all of you guys should totally check it out. Okay, yeah, go there and then rewrite resume and also add your portfolio, and then your resume will be so much stronger. And lots of things down below, like project, something like this.
I'm trying to develop my portfolio using Framework. It's in pipeline, so probably in 2 weeks it will have like 2 or 3 projects so that I can get it on live, publish it.
Yeah, then you can put it on resume. Okay, cool. Okay, great, good job. Let me see the last one. Sayang. Oh, I see people ask me this question. Oh, no. YouTube, LinkedIn, how to get resume reviewed. Marianne, Sayang, give me 1 second. People ask me how to get resume review. Marianne just asked this question. Let me also see LinkedIn. People ask the same question. Okay, so here's how to do get your resume reviewed.
I had some follow-up questions as well. Can I ask?
Give me a second. Let me show other people how to get how to submit your resume. Definitely. Here, slideshow. Everybody take a screenshot. Okay, email my team info@pmaccelerator.io. So my team is going to collect your resume, put in the Google folder, just like everyone else, and send your Zoom link to join me. Okay, and then we stream this through YouTube Live, LinkedIn Live, so other people can join me. And next time, okay, in your email to my team, let them know the email title, for example, free resume review, which you need to do, and date of attending masterclass. So what is masterclass? Which is this one, where we teach you how to create product portfolio. And as Magda said earlier, she's definitely have attended masterclass. That's why you speak about product portfolio. Okay, so masterclass will teach you how to create portfolio, and with 2 different examples. And 5 different product portfolio tools you can work on, okay, so that you're able to use a product portfolio to land any PM job offers, traditional or AI. So go here and learn more, okay, and then after you finish masterclass, we want you to be able to have your perfect product portfolio ready, and also directly leverage our free resume review resources so that you're ready to land your next PM job offer in those primary recruiting season. Okay, so right now, so email, let me put the masterclass link. Just let us know when did you attend this so that we know who to prioritize, because we always have very full agenda for resume review. Okay, cool. Now, everyone take the screenshot right now, which has my team's email. You get the Zoom link. Okay, so now let me go back here. So Magda, let me quickly answer your question before I move on to Sayam. Sayam, you also need to help me down. Is this your resume? This is yours. Okay. So Magda, what question do you have?
One of the questions that I had was, I'm currently targeting like product analyst or associate PM roles. So how well do you think my resume is aligned with the JD of that? And how can
you're qualified for those APM, entry level product analyst role for sure.
What should be my next steps?
Right now you're not, and you have the right experience, but your resume cannot be selected for interview right now based on the examples I told you earlier.
Okay, sure.
You have the right experience, but you cannot be selected for interview. Sorry, I'm very straightforward, but you
I have to repackage it.
Yeah, you need to redo it completely.
Thanks.
Cool.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, no problem. And but I forgot to mention, Everyone who is
Shyam.
interested, so Young, and
You can call me Shyam.
Hi Sean, how are you?
Yeah, hi,
That's your
thank you.
resume, right? Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So myself, Shyam Prasad Charamulla. So I have like around 15 years of experience in total, and now into the product management from past 6 years. So I led multiple projects which in various domains like retail, finance, and telecom. So I led multiple projects from an end-to-end product delivery from the ideation to the release. So each product which I delivered has given by the company like a different based on the various metrics and the KPI. So those products are like I mean based on this time to market, and then customer reliability and churn rate, those kind of B2C products which I optimized and led to the company. And right now, basically, I'm looking into the further growth in my career as like in specialty roles like AI and ML kind of things. So, which led to my enhance my career as a product manager.
Okay, great. Let me see your resume. Let me see if you qualify for AI PM job. Have you worked on AI before?
No.
Then you need to learn AI before you become AI product manager. We have an AI PM bootcamp. You should check it out. It's a basic requirement. You don't know AI, how can you become AI PM? Okay. Let me review your resume. See. Let me show you what's the AI PM so you understand. So you must learn AI. Go to darknessy.com homepage. We just changed our website. So happy. Finally change our website. So AIPM, you click this. Okay. You can learn more regarding EAPS. Yeah, you can learn more regarding our AIPM. You can learn real AI PM experience. So that it will help you to really become AI PM. Go to our website, darkness.com. You're able to see, and you also gain AI product management certification towards the end as well. Okay, for people looking for help to land a job, you go to PMA Pro. AI is more the book and learning skills, and this is landing a job. So it really depends on what you're looking for. If people want to get promoted as a director, go to PMA Leader. So we can talk more there. But now let me review your resume. Experience. Okay, I know what's going on.
Yeah, so basically from 2017, I was into the product management, and before that, I was a QA engineer or a QA lead. So that's why, like, yeah, from 2017, I was totally into the product side.
I assume you didn't land as many interviews. Am I right?
Sorry?
You already have. I assume you didn't land many PM interviews, given you already have 8 years PM experience. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you why. Okay, with 8 years PM experience, you couldn't land a job interview. Here's what's wrong with your resume. Currently, you don't understand the HR and also the LinkedIn algorithm process that understand what's going on for the selecting the resume. They are looking for the skill set match. It's all keyword based. For example, they want to see everything looking for example, say, this is requirement. They like it, they like requirement, but you should say part of requirement documentation. They're looking for that kind of keywords. Okay, so you have lots of impact, which is totally fine. But your resume is not going to be selected for review was because they want to see, has this person done the job or not? Done the work before? If so, let's see if that impact.
Okay.
So you have lots of great impact, but you're not selected to be human reviewed. Even
Okay.
human review a resume, they're looking for the keywords first. Did he do the job? Oh, he did. Okay, see, he has impact. Great, cool for interview. That's what's going on. So you reverse the importance order to make people not showing what's going on. Okay, so now let me tell you what's going on. So now, for example, improve all this. Yes, those are impact, no problem. Go ahead. But you should say more. For example, like you should put requirement documentation. First of all, that's incorrect the way you write it. Data requirements should be product requirement documentation. It's not about data requirement. Okay, so prioritize product feature. That's no problem. Use this is a good one. This one is good. Okay, and now you should also have a separate bullet point regarding driving product roadmap. So where is driving product roadmap? I don't see it. And go-to-market strategy is missing as well, or product strategy, creative product strategy is also missing.
Okay.
Right. So your resume is not selected for interview was because you have 8 years experience. How come you didn't work on requirements? Oh, sorry, you didn't work on like a roadmap. You didn't work on go-to-market strategy. What do you do in the past 8 years? People are very confused.
Okay.
That's the main reason. So now same thing. All of this. Please help me rewrite it. Develop this, no problem. Profile application, no problem, but this doesn't have all the keywords you're looking for. Increase user, that's great thing. That's achievement, that's great thing. But they won't read
Right.
this because you just don't have roadmap, like user stories. You don't have it. So they don't read it. They don't read the
Okay.
good part. That's what, same thing as this. I scanned this already. Same thing.
Okay.
And now another small changes is you describe your product. It's too long to describe product, like reporting, like all of this. Can you just summarize your product within 5 words? For example, creating the automation for tax return product as example, randomly. Okay,
Got
so you
it.
don't need so much stuff here because that doesn't hit the keywords, doesn't show your impact. It's just describing the product, and the new company usually don't work on the same product you work on in the past.
Correct.
Right. So why it's so important to describe this in detail? You can make it easy for them and say, oh, tax return automation software. 4 words. That's it. Oh, you
Got
work on
it.
tax return, just into it. Oh, those kind of, okay, cool. As example. That's the main reason. You have so many years experience. So it's a waste of opportunities when you didn't show it in the right way. That's what's going on. You're not selected for interview. Okay.
Got it. So just one quick question. So if you see my past experience below, right? So like, as I mentioned, my QA experience. So I mean, do I need to shortcut all those QA experience and
You
then
can make it shorter. You can make it
Okay.
2 pages, make it shorter. And your 8 years PM experience is enough for you to land any PM job offer. That's my point.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the main thing. Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Okay, so no problem. Let me everybody welcome. We finished our live resume review, and Sweet asked a question, what tool do you use for personal project? I have a YouTube video recommending all the tools. Let me share with you guys quickly. Give you different tools as example. And in our Product Masterclass, we also have different kind of examples per portfolio template and tools you can use as here. Go to darknancy.com/masterclass or go to my homepage, darknancy.com. You will be able to get it. And now for my, go here, YouTube channel, I have playlists. Product portfolio, how to create a product portfolio from scratch. Those are tools, different things up here. Okay, go here and watch all the 3 videos and make sure to like and comment on those videos. Okay, and that's a thing you need. What question people have, feel free to comment. I think I covered all the question. How can a resume review? Who answers question already? Okay, it looks like went through all the questions. Okay, so best of luck, everybody. And okay, so everybody, If you are interested in our more hands-on coaching, and go to our website and select different program most interest to you, and go to darkness.com and learn more. We'll have like 5 different kind of like program for everyone. They based on different background, and everybody who learning how to create a portfolio to land the next PM job offer, make sure to go to our website, darknessd.com. Okay, and on the homepage is a button, and click join the next masterclass. Or the top of the menu also have free masterclass. Ding, click, and then can learn how to create a product portfolio. That's the most effective way for experienced PM and then also aspiring PM to land the next PM job offer. Okay.
I
cool.
have a question. So who needs to create the product portfolio? Should everybody who needs
Yes.
to, yeah.
Everyone needs it. Shahaz, you're already inside PMA, right? So module 3.3 or 3.4.
I haven't gone till there. Like it's
to that where I talk about, do you need a product portfolio? What kind of people need a product portfolio? I break it down. I think it's 3.3 or 3.4. It go there. If you couldn't find it, let my team know. But the title is, do you need a product portfolio? And you break it down. I have like 5 minutes talking over regarding different product portfolio for what kind of people, what kind of background, is 3 point something basic. Go to PMA, the course, you will take a look.
Okay, thank you.
Then you understand what's going on. Once you watch it, then we'll discuss more. Okay, you join our office hours tomorrow. All right, so everybody, if you're interested in our live training, go to darknessd.com and learn more. And also like homepage at the button, we can join our masterclass. Okay, learn more about product portfolio. Awesome. So make sure to like and share any of my posts on LinkedIn and Instagram. And looking forward to seeing all of you guys in our next